Create a cylinder, rotate it 90 degrees. Go to the front view and press here to see through all objects. Delete these faces. Now we can make a shape of glasses. It's better to make two sides of the glasses at once, so I'm going to make a duplicate. Put the object in the middle of the coordinate system, then press Ctrl-Shift-D. Select the duplicate and go to Channel Box. Find scale X and add a minus in front of the number. Now whatever you do to one of the objects, the other one will be always repeating everything. Press B to use soft selection. It will help you to move smoothly all the affected polygons. When the main shape is done, select the object and press Ctrl-D to make a duplicate. We will use it later. Select the object and press Extrude. Make sure it's not the new duplicate. I want to make it less quadratic. Double-click to select these two edges, then press Bevel. Now select the duplicate you made earlier. Press here to see only selected objects. Make a new edge in the middle. Delete these polygons. Select the edge and press Fill All. Press Ctrl-D to duplicate the object. Delete this face, double-click, connect. Delete these faces. Select this edge and press Extrude. This is gonna be the leather part of the glasses. Correct the shape. Select these two edges and press Extrude. Pull it over the ear, then check out the shape in case if you need any corrections. I want to make it wider so I could cover eyebrows. Select these edges and press Extrude. Then select these edges, press Extrude, select Move To and type 0 in X transformation. Select Multicut tool, press Ctrl and left click. Select these two edges and press Bridge. Then do the same on the other side. Delete this edge, select Multicut and just draw a line from top to bottom. Extend the strap behind the ear. Select the object and press Ctrl-D to make a duplicate. Go to Channel Box, find Scale X and delete the minus in front of the number. Select both objects, press Combine and clear history. Then press Merge Vertices. Now it's one object. Press Extrude. Select the glass object, Ctrl-D, and again go to Channel Box, find Scale X and delete the minus in front of the number. Select all objects of the glasses and press Ctrl-G to make a group. Now you can place the glasses in any position you want. Some details sank in the head, so I need to fix it. Press B for soft selection. Extend the straps by using Extrude, then fix the shape adding new edges by Multicut tool. Select these faces and press Bridge. Select all the objects and press Soften Edge.